start by revising something that we did on Tuesday, which was our sum of angles in a triangle. And so for this question, I would like you to find the values of M and the values of P. So you're going to need to use two different rules to find these two answers. And then we're going to learn our new rule for today. So I want you to first start by finding M and P, and then we're going to learn our new rule. So now I have a feeling that that hand is up to answer. So I'm just going to keep you muted for another minute or so, and then I will unmute you so you can answer this one for us. But I'll put your name there so that, you know, it's yours. Okay, so on your side, you are looking for M and you are looking for P. Don't forget to give your reasons when you have your equations.
We can do this. Muhabi says he has a big cup like yours.
I have a small cup today. Mine's a baby cup. And my big cup is in the wash. Hey.
Yes, we already have Sana to answer. Let's
I
go,
know.
people. Y'all need to be fast on the charts. Put your answers down.
Put them
Please.
down so we can see what's going on.
Yeah.
No, Bobby, I don't trust. You might just have another mood while you're washing my mug, and then all of a sudden my mug gets thrown across the room in a fit of rage.
And P, where we see you. Keep them coming, guys. What about the rest of you? Let's see.
Nice job,
Mvelente, do you have an answer? Mvelente, I'm watching you.
I would be even happier if you had some reasons next to those answers. I'd be even happier.
Muabi, put your answer there with reasons. We want to see what you've got for this question.
Yeah. Oh no, Fancy, don't panic. Keep your calm. We're going to learn a new rule today.
New, right?
Yeah. So don't stress. All of the videos that we've done up to this point are online, and we're going to learn a new rule after this one, which all of the other questions we do today will just be using our new rule. So don't panic. That's exactly what we're going to learn today, Hannah. Awesome. You're going to be a step ahead.
Yeah, Hannah is like, yes, I know what's going on over here. I can find my P. I can find my M.
Okay, so now let's go. Talk me through what to do. Hi.
I'm so happy that I can talk today because on Tuesday I didn't get to answer.
Oh, with so many hands on Tuesday. Okay,
I know.
talk us away. Okay.
No.
So first I would start with M because it seems like the easiest. So it's angles on a straight line.
Yeah.
So then you would say 180 minus 100, which will equal M.
So I'm just going to write it like this just because it's the way we've been writing it, but the way that you've said is 100% perfect. Okay, good. Okay.
And then M would equal 80 degrees.
Great. Okay, so now remember, as soon as we figure something out, we put it in our diagram. Good.
Next, we work in the triangle. So you would use the rule angles in a triangle, which equal to also 180 degrees. So then you would say 80 degrees, which is the M, plus 25 degrees plus P equals 180 degrees.
Good.
And then you would say P equals 180 degrees minus 25 degrees minus 80 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
And then P will equal to 75 degrees.
100%. Well done. Nice work, Sana. Good job. Perfect. So what Hannah was saying, Hannah was bringing up another reason. Hannah brought up a reason called exterior angle of a triangle, and that one is what we're going to learn today. But you could definitely have found P by using exterior angle of a triangle. So Hannah, if you did that, then that's great. Let's have a look. Tiana, how can I help?
Babe, I would just like to say I have very good news. I finally understand geometry.
Finally.
We knew it.
Yes, we made it. We told you this day would come.
Even though I fear that she might be trying to escape those difficult questions that you give her when she doesn't
Yeah, she's just saying this so that I don't give her more questions.
exactly.
What if I said angle GM and EP? Oh, I see what you're saying. No. So you can call it M. Oh, goodness, what did I do there? Something weird just happened. That is the weirdest thing. It's like it just disappeared. That's so weird. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so you can call it M, or you can call it angle FGE, or you could, those are your options. So you could call it M or FGE, but you can't call it GM. I hope that helps. And so for this one, you could also call it P, or you could call it angle DEF. You could call it FEG, but yeah. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go on to our new reason for today. Or if you want to take a screenshot, take one quick, and then we're going to learn about our new reason. Okay, so our new reason is called exterior angle of a triangle. So when we have a triangle, it's okay, Marula, here's a triangle, and we have an angle. Yes, we are going to learn about alternate corresponding. We're going to learn about them in the next section. So next week, we're going to finish up with triangles and straight lines, and then the next week, we're going to start parallel lines. When we have a triangle, and then one of our sides of our triangle extends to make the straight line, we get something called an exterior angle. An exterior is just a fancy word for outside, okay? So we have an outside angle. This angle over here, that's our exterior angle. So let's read this rule. For this rule, it says the exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum. Okay, so when I add together the two interior opposite angles. These are interior, meaning they are inside our triangle, and they are opposite the angle that we are working on. Okay, and we're going to add them together. So we're going to say that our exterior angle, which is A, is going to equal the sum of our two interior angles. And the reason that we give for this one is exterior angle of a triangle. All right. So I'm going to do one for you, and then I'm going to let you try the next one. And I'm going to leave this up here so you can see, and then you can take a photo. So this is my triangle, okay? And the one line is extending into a straight line. And when it extends, it gives us an exterior angle, okay? So my exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles, which is going to be 50 plus 60. And then the reason we will give is exterior angle of triangle. Okay, and then all we have to do is add together. So X is going to equal 110 degrees. That's the whole reason. That's it. Does anyone have any questions about what they are currently seeing? Do they not understand something? Are they feeling stressed by something? This is your time to ask. Yes, sir. Yeah, how can I help?
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very well, and yourself?
Oh, not ma'am, Jennifer. Sorry, I forgot.
Both are fine.
Yes, ma'am. We did this in class like 2 days ago, so
Okay.
I understand the concept. So I just wanted to ask. So when we see X outside of the triangle, we're solving for X, right?
Yeah, you're always going to be solving for a variable. So you'll either solve for X or Y, or yeah, but yes.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
No problem. But X won't always be, oh, sorry, I think I've unmuted. You can just ignore that. Yeah, there we go. X won't always be the thing that's outside the triangle. So don't, yeah, the next one you'll see what I'm talking about though. Tiana, hi.
Yeah, Babe, I like wanted to ask that question as we're talking about now. I was like, is X always gonna be outside of the triangle?
No, X won't always be outside. The next question you'll see why. And Hannah, we are going to do some congruency and similarity next too. Okay. Okay, so this is an example where X is not on the outside, X is on the inside. So I am wanting to find out what X is in this triangle. Does anyone think that they can talk me through it? Does anyone feel confident already? Oh, okay, Tiana's just spoken. So Jasmine, do you think you can talk me through this one?
105 minus 55 degrees.
Good, okay. So if I wanted to write it in the same format where exterior is equal to the sum of the interiors, how would I write it like that? What you've said is perfect. So what's my exterior angle?
Your exterior angle is 105.
Good, okay, good. And what are my two interior angles?
55 plus x.
Beautiful, okay. And then we're going to say exterior angle of triangle. Okay, good. So then we land up in the line that you've just said. So if you started with how you started, that's great. I'm just trying to keep the same format for everything here. Okay, so then Jasmine said 155 minus 55 is equal to x, which is 100% right. So then what would x give us, Jasmine?
50.
Yes, well
100%.
done.
Nice. And you can leave it as 50 equals x, or you can move the x to the other side and say x equals 50, but that's all we need to do. Okay, so here is our triangle. This is our exterior angle, and those are our two interior angles. Exactly, so it's opposite, the ones that are opposite. Exactly. Yeah, and how can I help?
Man, could you get like two exterior angles?
Yeah, you can.
Then how would you do
for
that,
example,
man?
yeah, it's nasty. But like, for example, you could have an exterior angle here. Let's say that that's y. So y would be equal to this angle plus that angle, because it's always going to be equal to the opposite interior angles to where it is.
Oh, okay, man.
Okay. Rosejo, how can I help?
Ma'am, I was wondering, do we ever plus the
exterior angle?
Yeah.
No.
So we always minus.
Always.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
No problem. Okay, let's see if you can give this next one a go. I'll leave B up. Don't worry, Cynthia, I'll leave this one up so that you can see it and maybe use it to help guide you a little bit. But
take screenshots also.
Yeah, let me know how this goes. Good, Fancy. I like it when math feels easy. That's exactly how it should feel. I think I might actually make this question a bit more difficult.
Yeah, I think my people are up for the challenge. Yeah, like this
agree.
I can call Shame, I don't want her to cry.
For Tiana.
Tiana, it's okay because we love you, okay? We know you can do this.
I'm going to make this question a bit more difficult. So keep on going how you're going, guys, and I'm just going to add a few things to it. Because, you know, why not?
Tiana's
like, yeah. I won't make it too nasty.
Have we spoken to Keith today? I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. No, we haven't spoken to Keith. Keith, I'm very excited to hear. Can you talk me through how we can find X? how we start this question.
Okay, x, I said 3x is equals to 65 plus x plus 15.
Yes, Keith, nice job. What's my reason?
Exterior angles of a triangle.
100%.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Then
Next line.
I collected the like terms, so it's 3x minus x equals to 65 plus 15.
Yes. Okay, next line.
So 2x is equals to 70. Then I divided both sides by 2.
Yes, Mugai.
And so what is my final answer?
35.
Just be careful. I think you added 65 and 15 wrong.
Oh yeah, it's 8. Yes.
So they want the x gonna land at the end.
40.
Well
Yes,
done.
nice
Dee.
job.
Well
Good job,
explained,
Keith.
Jay.
Excellent. Perfect. Okay. Rutejo, are you gonna talk me through finding y?
No, Mom, I wanted to ask a question. Mom, why
Sure.
did you divide by 2?
Okay, so whenever we have a coefficient, like here we had a coefficient of x, we need x to be alone. So we need to divide by whatever number is next to x, and we need to do it on both sides so that x can be by itself.
Oh, so you minus 1x from 3x and then you got 2x and then you use the 2x to divide.
By 2, exactly.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
Nice job. Thanks for the question. Tiana, are you answering why?
Yes, I am.
How
wait,
exciting. Okay,
But
tell
I'm
me what to
nervous.
do. Okay, no, it's
But
fine, don't be nervous.
I can't do this if I don't know what is the reason. Is the reason angles on a straight line?
Yeah, you could
Yeah,
use lots of
you
different
could
ones, but
use that.
angles on a straight line will be great. Yeah.
But is it gonna involve the 3x also? No, then.
No.
So if it's angles on a straight line,
Okay,
then
yeah. Hold on, let me write that down. Angles on a straight line. Okay, so what's
it's
my
gonna
equation
be-
going to look like?
It's gonna be x plus 15 equals 180.
X plus 15 equals, what has to happen over here? X plus 15 plus?
60, 65.
What are we
Fiona.
looking for?
Oh, why? I should have forgotten.
Yeah. There we go. Okay. So x plus 15 plus y equals 180. But what do we know about x? What is x?
X is 40.
Okay,
Yes,
so actually
so-
that means 40 plus 15 plus y
15
equals 180.
plus
Okay, good.
180. Then we're gonna leave y alone. Then
Good.
we're gonna say 180 minus 40 minus 15.
Good.
So
Then we're gonna still leave y alone. Then we're gonna say the answer on the other side is 125.
Yes,
So y
we
equals
are.
125.
Nice job, Tiana.
well done.
Awesome. So Tiana brought up an interesting thing here. She asked, must we bring in the 3x when we talk about a straight line? But remember, when we do angles on a straight line, they have to be adjacent. They have to be next to each other. They have to share an arm, okay? If they don't share an arm, we're not allowed to say that they're adjacent angles on a straight line. So that's why I only can include those two. Okay. Guys, we're actually going to jump to our brain break a little bit earlier. And then we're going to dig into some more questions. We're going to move into our brain break after this one, and then we're going to jump into some more. Does anyone have any questions about what they're seeing before I move down? Oh, sorry, Jasmine. I'll make sure to give you smiles when we move further down. Yes, Sophia, do you have a question?
Yes, ma'am. I made a small, well, math is no more small mistake, but anyway, so when I was like the first line for when we said 3x equals 65 plus x plus 15. I said 3x plus x, not minus x.
Oh, silly banana. Yeah. Okay. So if you had gotten this in a test and you had written this line correctly, which by the sounds of it you did, and you wrote your reason correctly, this whole thing would have been out of 3 marks and they would have given you 2.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
So you would have only lost that last mark at the end. And then if you used what you found for x in this one, they would have given you all of these marks because it's called continued accuracy.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Retejo.
Ma'am, so I made a mistake when I was solving for x. Instead of on the diagram they show that you must plus 65 with 15. I minused.
Okay. Okay. So you said 65 minus x plus 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then you wouldn't have gotten this mark. Did you write exterior angles of a triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
So you would have gotten that 1 mark, but you wouldn't have gotten the other 2.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. How did I get to the 40? I got to the 40 by dividing both of my sides by 2, because I had 2x is equal to 80. Okay. Okay. Let's jump into our brain break. So our brain break today, we've got 3 little things. So we've got one question, which is like one of our old ones that we used to do. I'm looking for a single number for that question. Don't be fooled by something, I'll say that much. And then we have 2 short little dingbats. Okay. So I would like to know what the answer to my question mark is here. And I'm not taking anyone out there misery until I see the correct answer in the chat. Do you agree with that, Julian? Did you think that's fair? We should just keep them suffering until they give us the correct answer. I think
Yeah, that's really fair because the other class was like, yeah.
The other
not
class
even
started
gonna say it.
guessing.
Yeah, instead of just calculating it right.
And
I
we were
think
like,
Jasmine
no,
already has an answer.
no, that's not possible. That's not possible. Jasmine, you can't possibly have an answer yet.
I do.
No, okay, what's your answer?
The tornado thingies are 12.
Is that the answer for my question mark?
No, like
No.
somewhere.
No, I'm not going to give you help along the way.
Get the answer, Jasmine. Good effort,
Yeah.
though. You're on
No,
the good direction, Jasmine.
Trying to get answers along the way. No.
Jasmine is like, I need help. Jasmine,
I
you can
want to
do this.
know-
I'm rooting for you.
I want to know what my question mark is, and I'm not going to be happy until I know my question mark.
Arnold
Arnold.
is on the line.
Do you have an answer for me? Do you know what my question mark is? Oh, he's saying 56? No, it's not 56. It's not
Guys,
56.
no guesswork. Just try calculating step by step. You can do this. Don't guess. And don't fall for the trap. You can already see, do not fall for the trap.
I'm putting
Don't.
brackets in to help you. That might help.
There's just one trap, guys. Just don't fall for it. That's all I'm asking you. Because remember, I'm
There's only
rooting for
one.
you guys.
There's literally only one trap.
Yeah. Arnold is back.
Arnold, do you have a different answer for us? So fancy, our tornadoes are 12, but not our answer. No, 504 is not correct. 12 is not correct. I feel like people are at least trying because we're not getting random numbers.
Yeah, I think that they're used to the help of saying, you know, like the first line is 12, 12, 12 equals to 36. That's good already. But now you have to do it all the way, finding everything by yourself. Verila. Don't worry, you'll be fine. You will heal.
You will survive.
Guys, you can do this.
It's not 156.
Is that an MK? I hope it is.
How has no one figured this out yet? Ah, Tatum!
Yeah,
Yes!
well done.
Yes,
Well done,
Tatum.
Tatum.
Whew, yes, finally we made it.
Saved
Yes,
every one of us.
199. Woo! Yes.
You have saved
Yes.
us from this depression question.
I will explain this. Okay, so the first step, whenever we do these ones, you always look for the one which is easiest to solve. Okay, so these are 3 of the tornadoes is 36. So each of those must be 12. Okay, now the trap is that there's 2 tornadoes here and there's only 1 tornado here. So that's 6. Okay, and now we're saying something times itself plus 6 needs to give us 70. So if we say 70 minus 6, then we're going to get 64. So that needs to be 8 times 8, because that's going to give us 64. 64 plus 6 is going to give us 70. Okay, so that means that this is 8 and this is 8. So then if we say, well, what's 64 minus 8? That's going to give us 56. So that means that our umbrella must be 7, because 7 times 8 gives us 56. 56 plus 8 gives us 64. So that means that this is 7. There are 2 here, which means that that's 16. There are 2 here, which means that's 12. So our answer is 199. We got there. Nice job. You did super well. Okay, we have got 2 dingbats. The one dingbat is nice and easy, and the other dingbat you have to think a little bit. That's what I will say. Just be careful. Both dingbats, I'm looking for a word. Okay. The first dingbat, I'm looking. They both dingbats are single words. Okay, so I'm just looking for one word for each of them. So your first one is this. What word am I looking for? Tiana, yes.
Tiana, well done. Oh no, it wasn't Tiana who gave the answer. Oh.
No, Tiana, what's our answer?
I think it's Apple Radio. I don't know what is it.
Come on, Tiana. What does the number mean to you? This number, yeah. What is this?
We've got lots of correct people who've gotten the apple pie, guys. It's apple
Yeah.
pie. This over here, that's
That's
pie.
a pie.
Pie. It's the decimal for pie.
Apple
pie.
radio.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Next one. Just be careful. I'm just going to say this again. It's not a number. Okay. I'm not looking for a number. I'm looking for a word. I'm looking for one word. One word.
And it's such a beautiful word, guys. It's beautiful. Let's go, my pips. Delenhle, what do you think? I see you, Brandon.
A hand, no. Math, no. No.
Selegani, Nsengi. What are you guys thinking?
One word. You're coming up with 2 words here. I'm looking for one word. One single word.
Fatu. Yo, Fatu hasn't spoken to us in a long time.
No. Yeah, where's Fatu been? So quiet lately.
Fatu is, yeah, but he hasn't spoken in a very long time. I'm going through the names. I'm like, oh, Fatu.
One word, guys. Clap, no.
Guys, you see a hand, and what else do you see?
Yeah, Fatu, we missed you.
Yeah. Oh, Jasmine, do you have an answer?
Have you figured it out?
I'm peeling.
No, it was a mistake. That was a mistake.
Oh, okay. But a
Peeling got it, guys.
A Peeling got
well
it. Tino's there now.
My
the answer was
person.
handsome. Because this is a hand and this is a thumb. Handsome. Well done, Apiwe.
Well
nice
done,
job.
everyone.
Awesome work. Awesome. Okay. All right, let's jump back into our math. Let's see how much we can go through before we have to do our quiz for tonight. Let's try and get through as many as possible. Okay. First one. For these ones, I want volunteers for each one, and I want you to be able to talk me through the whole question. So,
Anam is like, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Anam's question. Cool. Then we've got Ashnique, I think. We have
Marila.
Marula. Okay. Apiwe. I need one more volunteer.
Keith.
Keith. Keithles. Okay. I can have I can have 3 volunteers here because I have 3 different letters. So I've got Keith, and then I just need 2 more names. Kutwano.
No, thank you, Kutwano.
And then we're gonna say Fatu because we've had silence. We've just
Yeah,
nominated.
Fatu. Look, Fatu, I'll be so happy to hear your voice at this moment.
Okay, so the first ones that we're going to be doing, Anam's going to talk us through the first one, and then Ashneek's going to talk us through the second one. So I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of time to look at it, work through it on your side. Please make sure you're writing it correctly. And then we're going to go through.
Fatu, we love you. That's why we want to hear from you. Don't worry. And I'm here to cheer for you. You can never go wrong. Don't worry. I'll be here to assist you.
Anam, are you ready to take us through A? If you are, can you pop that hand up for me? Beautiful. Okay. Anam, talk me through.
Okay, ma'am. First, I'm going to write x equals 25 plus 35.
Reason?
Exterior angles on what is it? Of triangles.
Good, good.
Yes.
Okay.
Well done.
And then we're gonna therefore x equals 60.
What? 60 what?
60 degrees.
Yes.
Well
Thank
done.
you. Good job, Anam.
Hey,
Awesome.
done.
Awesome.
Guys, you're
Super.
awesome
Okay.
people.
Guys, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Who got 3 out of 3 there? Who got 3 out of 3? Good. Yes.
Well done, my babe.
Okay. Making progress. Okay. Ashneek, can you pop your hand up for me when you are ready to do B? Awesome. Thank you.
My people are so awesome.
So smart. Okay, Ashneek, we're all yours. You can talk us through B.
Okay, so first I say 150 degrees equals to x plus 65 degrees.
Good. Reason?
Exterior angles of triangle.
Hey.
Okay, next.
Then I move x plus 65 to the other side and 150 to the other side.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I say x equals 150 degrees minus 65 degrees.
Yep.
Yes, go.
And x equals 85 degrees.
Hey.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
Yes. Nice. Okay, guys, if you're keeping track of yourselves, you can give yourselves another 3 marks. You should be sitting on 6 marks. Yeah, Ashneek has got like the most calming voice ever. I feel like he needs to read like documentaries. Like I would 100% watch a documentary that Ashneek narrates. 100%.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
lovely. She
I'm
has a
gonna put
lovely voice.
C up on the board. Give it another go to try and work through, and then oh yeah, a bedtime story. You know, one of those calming apps. Ashneek, you should message those calming apps, and you should see if they would let you film their story. Marula, you're gonna work through C for us. So I'm just gonna pop it up here, and then when you're ready, you can pop your hand up, but you don't need to rush. Do you always get marks for writing the formula? Yeah, so this formula, this is the equation part. So you'll always get, in these ones, like, because these ones are very easy, they probably would only give you 2 marks for each. But for one like this, which is more complicated, they would definitely give you 3 marks.
Okay, Marilla is ready for us.
Okay, Maria, I'm just going to give everyone 2 more minutes to finish this one off, and then you can keep your hand up though, and then we'll come to you. Yeah, so just keep there, and I'll unmute you. I'm just going to give everyone a little bit of time to finish.
Y'all are doing really good today. Yo,
Yeah.
I wish all my
Superstars.
classes could be like this.
Superstars. Okay. Okay. Marilla, we're all yours. Can you talk us through what to do?
Okay. So first, we have to. Miss, I can't see the numbers properly. Okay, now I can. 4x
Yep.
equals to 2x minus 10 plus 48.
Good, good. Okay, what's my reason?
Exterior angles.
Good. Exterior angle of a triangle. Okay, good. Next line.
4x minus 2x
Good.
equals to negative 10 plus 48.
Good. Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay.
2x equals to 38. 2x equals to 38.
Good.
And x equals to 19.
Beautiful. Nice job. Great. Great. Okay.
Well done. You did good.
Nice work. Okay, so if you guys are keeping tabs, give yourselves another 3 marks over there. Fatu, no, what's happening? Why are you
Fatu,
being
I'm
so
here to
hard?
help you. You're not gonna get stuck.
Us.
We are here to lead you. We just want to hear you.
Yeah, we're always here to help. If you're confused, just let us know. Is anyone feeling a little bit lost about what they're seeing? We really are happy to help. If you're like not getting it, just ask away.
Ask questions, guys.
Do you don't want to answer? Oh no, well that you can't get out of, sweetheart. You're in. Your name is there. It's
I'm
done.
too late to talk. Fatu. You
That-
will talk
That ship
today.
has sailed, Fatu. Sorry. Ravi is lost mentally. Oh no.
Ravi, you'll be okay.
Yeah, yours will be fine. I'm not too stressed. Okay, this one is all a PWA's question. A PWA, but so take your time at PWA, make sure you're happy with your answer on your side, and then when you're happy, you can put your hand up and we'll go through it together. But let's give everyone like a good solid 2 minutes to give this one a go. Yeah, Yusuf, how can I help?
Oh, ma'am, people are fast. I didn't even
Am I
get
going
to.
too fast? No, it's okay. I'll slow down a little bit.
Yes, because like for the last question, I only got up until like the third line before, and
Okay.
then the person started answering.
So Yusuf, can you do me a favor? Once you've finished this question, do you mind popping your hand up to me, and then I know that you finished, and then we can go through it.
Okay, no problem, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so just try and work through this on your side, guys. Make sure you're happy with your answers. Please make sure you're writing it all down correctly. I want to see proper structure. Like I want to see an equation, a reason, and you're working out. Apiwe, I see your hand. I love it. I will unmute you as soon as everyone's ready to go. Okay. So just give it your best shot. See yourself? You said everyone was going too fast. Then you did that so quickly. My cat is knocking everything off the table. Okay, Apiwe, talk us through. What are we going to do?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So first you're going to say 3x
Yes.
equal to x plus 40 degrees.
Good. What's my reason?
Exterior angles of a triangle.
Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Next line.
And then you're going to say 3x minus x minus x.
3x minus x. Oh, goodness. Minus x equals
40 degrees.
Good. Okay. Next line.
And then you're going to add all the x's and it's going to give you 1x equals to 40 degrees.
100%. Nice job. Awesome, Apiwe. Good work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, Ampiwe. Even my dogs are like, woo, 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 woo. You know,
I got you.
say
The dogs are there,
congratulations.
say yes. Okay, we have made it until E. For E is our trickiest one of the night. E, I am needing 3 different variables. Okay, so on your side, I should see lots of working. I should see lots of reasons. Let me just keep this up here so that I can answer. Why is it minus X? Okay, because this one would be a plus X. It's a positive X. So when it moves over, it's going to be minus. And this one's also a plus. So when it moves over, it's going to be minus. Okay, so E is our trickiest one of the night. We are needing to figure out what X is. We need to figure out what Y is. And we need to figure out what Z is. I'm happy with however you want to figure it out. I will be happy. I'm not stressed.
Tiana, is that a question?
Let's see. Hi, Tiana.
Hello, babe. So like my question is, what is my question? The 2 exits on the side, are we gonna use the dead line that goes over it? The curved line.
The curved line.
Like the one by 2
This
x.
line. Oh, like that.
Yes.
Yeah, you can use it. It's not always going to be there, but yes, you can use it if you'd like it there to be there.
Thank you, babe.
Sure. Okay, so for this one, we're looking for X, we're looking for Y, and we're looking for Z. We should have lots of equations. We should have lots of reasons. You need to be able to give me your reasons. There are multiple different ways you could go about doing this question. There isn't just one way to do it. So I'm very curious to hear how people will end up doing it. We've got Keith, who's going to find us X, Kutwana is going to find us Y, and then Fatu is going to find us Z.
You guys, you can do this. I'm cheering for you, okay? I'll hint you there and there. You won't struggle, don't worry. You can do it.
Try. Let me make it nice and big for you guys so you can see the numbers properly.
Ashnik is like, I got this.
Yeah, ready and waiting. Okay, we've got lots of answers coming in. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. If you have questions, please don't feel scared to ask. Ask your questions. Keith is ready. One was ready. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to wait until I have my last hand there. Hasi's ready. Beautiful. Good. Before I start answering, does anyone need some more time? If you're embarrassed, you can just send me a direct message. So just let me know if you're needing some more time. Just send me a direct message. You can also just say to everyone, there's no embarrassment about needing more time. But if you are embarrassed,
About to put his hands up. I'm so excited.
I know. Spike is ready. Okay. Cool. Let's get going then. Okay, so we are going to start with Keith. Keith is going to find X for us. That is where we are going to begin. Keith, talk me through how I'm going to find X.
Okay, so I said 2x plus 26 equals to 180.
What's my reason?
Angles on a straight line.
Yes, good.
Well done.
Then I said 2x is equals to 180 minus 26.
Good.
Then my answer is 154.
Okay.
Then I divide both sides by 2.
Good.
My answer is 77.
Nice job. Well
done,
done.
man.
Nice.
Oh,
Well done, Keith. Good. You're doing so well tonight. People are panicking for no reason, eh?
And they know this stuff. I don't
And they
understand why
know
they're
it.
panicking.
I don't know either. I don't know.
I thought that's more Wabi style.
Unnecessary panic. Okay.
Yeah, but Wabi always tries and gets 100%.
All right, Kutlano, we are ready
Hi,
for
ma'am.
you for finding y. What am I gonna do?
You're gonna say y
Yeah.
plus y
Mm-hmm.
plus 14
Mm-hmm.
plus 26
Yep.
equals to 180 degrees.
Reason?
Sum of angles in the triangle.
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay, next line.
Then you're gonna say 2y
Yep.
equals to 180 degrees
Yep.
minus 14 degrees
Mm-hmm.
minus 26 degrees.
Beautiful.
Then the next line is gonna be 2y equals to 140 degrees.
Good.
Then y equals to 70 degrees.
Yes.
Well done.
Nice job.
Well done, Kutlano.
Awesome. Okay. We have X, we have Y. We are on a roll. Fatu, I can see you, it says you're not ready. Do you need a little bit of extra time? Just let me know.
Ish, ma'am, it's fine. I'll try.
Oh, you'll
You
try.
can do this,
Okay.
Fatu.
I'll
Okay.
try.
Okay, Fatu, tell me what to write. Tell me what you would like.
So ma'am, I said Z is equals to 70 degrees plus
Why?
14 plus 26.
Okay, hold on. So Z is equal to 70 degrees plus 14.
Plus 26.
Mm-mm.
Oh my gosh. Ma'am, is
No,
it
no,
plus
no, fine.
20 again?
Don't panic. Don't panic, Fatu. Okay, you've got two different options here. I'm going to show you one of them. I'm going to highlight something and I think it's going to help you, okay? I'm going to highlight something that looks like that. Okay. In what I've just highlighted, what does that make Z? Of the words we've learned tonight, what would Z be?
I don't know.
What is it called?
Starts with an E?
Exterior.
Oh, exterior angle.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
so
Z would be an exterior angle. So if Z is my exterior angle, what would my two interior angles be? I've got 26, and then what does this angle here equal? We've just worked it out.
70.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Okay. Now can you tell me what to write? Tell me what would my equation look like?
Z is equal
Yeah.
to 26 plus 70.
There we go. Okay. And then what would my reason be?
Exterior angles on a triangle.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
but you got this.
So what would Z equal?
96 degrees.
Well
Nice
done. Nice
Okay,
job,
good.
Patsy.
You
Well
got this.
done.
You see? We just needed
Thank
to hear your voice.
you.
We just missed you.
Yeah.
Man.
You did good. Well done.
Okay, let's try and deal with these hands quickly over here. Tiana, yeah, how can I help?
Babe, so I didn't use the exterior what rule at
Did
the
you
end.
use angles on a straight line?
Yes, ma'am. So it's not
Okay,
right there because I got the
Yes,
answer.
if you use angles on a straight line, you would have had 70 plus 14 plus Z equals 180 angles on a straight line. Does yours look like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then Z would be equal to 180 minus 70 minus 14, which means Z would be equal to 96. So you should have gotten to the same place.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. Good. Okay. Anam, how can I help?
Ma'am, why wouldn't you subtract with the 14 degrees here for Z? Well, I mean, why didn't you add with the 14 degrees? Because you said they must be like adjacent to each other. So I thought you had to add with the 14 degrees.
Okay, they must be adjacent to each other when we're doing angles on a straight line. So here we added the 14. So here we said 70 plus 14 plus Z because they are adjacent because of angles on a straight line. But exterior angles of a triangle, they're not adjacent. Exterior angles of a triangle are the opposite interior angle equals the exterior angle.
Oh. So
it
you
just
only they
depends on-
only adjacent when you do straight lines.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Okay, nice job. Good work, guys. Okay, you guys did awesome. I'm very proud of you. You've had I feel like we've made really good progress. I'm excited for our lessons next week. Good luck on your quiz. Please use your past selves as an example and spend proper time doing them and think about your answers. And I'm excited to see if you get 100% this week. Good luck.
And I just forgot to remind you. Oh, sorry. Ntando has a question. How to get exterior angles? Oh, okay. So Ntando only entered late, so that's why. Okay. But they're asking how can they get? How do you get an exterior angle?
Okay, so Ntando, obviously, you know, my recommendation will be to watch this video from the start, but whenever we have a triangle, okay, so like there's a triangle, if one of the lines of our triangle is extended to create this like arm that continues from that triangle, it creates an exterior angle on a triangle. And an exterior angle is equal to the sum of my two interior angles. So if this was, let me just draw this a little bit better. Okay. So if this was A and this was B, A plus B is going to equal our exterior angle. Hopefully that helps. Good luck for the quiz, everyone. Love you lots, and we will see you on Tuesday. Have a good weekend. Yeah, so not the third angle, only those two opposite ones. Fancy, I'm